Seneta Wambua ojiwo sirkal mamalo kaachiel kod mago mag counties mondo oket maino e okenge mag bero weche thieth e pacho kae. Noloso e chenro mag thieth madhi nyime kuom ndalo adek ma obag kod riwruok mar Wambua Foundation e chiro mar Wingeni e sub county ma Mwingi East kuma maloyo ji 1,000 noyudo thieth manono e chenro ma kamano. Wambua wacho ni kwan ji mane owuok oko ne thieth makamano onyiso pek mag kalo e yore thieth e kaunti ma Kitui ka bende jo gavana ma Kitui Julius Malombe mondo omi yore thieth ong'ala manyime.
The reason why we have facilities constructed for the provision of healthcare in different parts of this county is a response to a need. These facilities are not just created for purposes of creating facilities. They were responding to a need. Like where we stand today, let me not go very far. Like where we stand today, there is this Wingeni level 3 hospital, which for all intents and purposes, in terms of standards, in terms of personnel, in terms of facilities, it's below even a dispensary. And yet in the books, it is supposed to be a level 3 hospital. Now what we have agreed with the community is that as soon as is practically possible, we are going to organize a fundraiser to complete the construction of a house where the medical staff are supposed to be staying.